Welcome, CNG 132 500. Just finished upgrading the essays. I did leave you individual feedback within your essays. I hope you're able to see it. I know they just enabled those tools, so I hope they work as intended. So you should go to your essay and then click your essay, then see my comments within your essay. And I really hope it looks like that. If not, make sure to reach out to me. Some of the feedbacks were the most common. Uh, Back up your claims. If you gave me a number and I did not know that number off the top of my head, say 8,000 businesses were hacked with the Bio app, make sure that you have a citation. You wrote one sentence. Maybe the citation of the full information takes three sentences. Throw that in your essay. You know, Once you cited that in your essay, make sure you have a reference page at the end of your essay and put that article in your reference page so I know where you got that information. That was the most common. Other people did good. Did good. Let's see. The title page was somebody's feedback. Adding reference page, more feedback. Um, the citations were a lot of people's feedback, and then an abstract. An abstract page is basically just an overview of what I'm going to read. So if you want to add an abstract page, great. But basically, an abstract page would be like this week in CNG 132, or actually, you designated actually the real week. Um, in week two of CNG, in week two of CNG 132, um, research two. I research, or yeah, you can basically that'll work for now. I researched two papers or two articles based on this, and this is what I'm writing out: biomechanics and hackers, bio biometrics and hackers, and then you add, what you're going to write about. Why is it important to yourself? Why it should be important to Americans? Why it should be important to everybody? As you can see, I kind of my scope moved. Um, but yeah, your abstract page, really just tell me what your paper is about without telling me the whole paper. Brief overview of that. When we finish the semester, your papers will be like 5 pages long. You'll have a title page, an abstract page, your paper, which should be about 2 pages, and then a reference page. So 5 pages total, um, and it'll be easier as we go. It'll be easier as we go. When we get closer to the fifth one, you'll be pumping these out pretty quick. Uh, but yeah, good work so far. They're free points, basically. Like I said, I don't. Well, I should say I take away only when you don't read my comics and you leave the same error in there. So if I told you to add something, make sure you add it in your next iteration, because the next time you may not get a 10, you'll probably get like a 9. If it's in there the third time, probably get an 8. You'll start seeing that grade drop there. If you have any questions, reach out to me through email. Have a good weekend. Bye.